Hello, guys. Welcome back with the second Sudoku. Yes, speed test August. In today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's Friday, August the 5th, 2022. And I've told you the first Friday of the month I will do always a speed test. And now I've done minute ago the Sudoku Light with the speed test, and now it's time for the Sudoku Heavy with the speed test. And this will be number 4965. Okay, 4965. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, this will be 2 stars. For 2 stars, 15 time limit 15 to 20 minutes. Well, I do a speed test, so no instructions. So let's get started. Scan. 888. We have here 6. 4. 4. Okay. I believe all the fours. 831. 2. 1 5 1 5 6 1 5 6 5. Come on. 9 7 7 1. The 2 2. Okay. 2. Come on. 7. Yeah. Wow. 6. Okay, we have the 6. 1 and a 5. 5. 3. 9. 3 2 6 2 9. Think. 1. 5. Come on. It's taking too long. 3. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, hit the number. Should be the 1. 1, 2. No. 1 or a 3. This should be 1 or a 3. Ay. Not the hidden number. Not yet. Need to wait. Ay. Come on. 1. 3. 6. 8. Come on, 8. 8. 8. 8 and a 1. Come on, 8, 1, 2. Ay. Come on. 6, 2, 4, 9. We put some numbers. 4, 7. Come on. Yeah. 1, 4, 5. How about the 5 then? 5. And a 5. 1, 5, 7. No, cannot do anything. Should be a hidden number here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need a 5. 3, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. 3, 5. Okay. And a 1, 3. 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 3. Okay. 6, 6. 6. Okay. 6. Overlooked. 6, 7. 6. Okay, 6 already used. 7. 7, 8, and 7, 8, and 9. 7, 8, 7, 8. Okay. Come on. 3. About the 5, 9, 6, 5, 7, 8. These two, 5 and the 1. 5 and a 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 3 and 9. I need a 9 here. 9. 9, 1. The 2 is also missing. 2. Here should be also the 2. 2 should be here also. 2. Come on. 7. No, 7. 7 could be here. Here. Okay. How about the pairs? 9. No 9, so no. Here. 9. 5, 4, 6. 3, 5, 2. 2, 3. 3. 2, 5, 3. 2, 5, 3. 2, 5, 3. 2, 3. 5, 2, 3. 5. This should be a 5. A 2 and a 3. We have a 2 there. 5. How about 5, 5, 5, 5? Here the 5. 9, 7, 1. 9, 7, 1. 9, 7. This should be a 1. 9, 7. 5, 1. We have a 1 here. This should be a 9. 3 and a 1. 3 and a 1. Okay, 3 and a 1. This should be a 2. 5 and a 1. 2 and a 3. Wow, complicated. 1 and 5. 1, 5. 7, 8. No. 2. should be here. 2 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Yes. 1 7 and 8. 7 8 and the 1. No 1 here. No. Yes. 7 and 8. Wait. Is this correct? This. Let me wait for here. 1 2 3 4 7 8 1 3 7. Wait. No, I cannot fill this yet. 7 8 1 3 1 3 7 8. No, I cannot fill this yet. 5 1 and 7 is missing. Yes. 1 and a 5. Pair. This one should be a 3. No 3 here, so 3 should be here. This should be a 1. 3 3 3. I have 3. What a mess. 7 8 7 8 7 8 and 9. 5 1 5 1 and a 7. Here missing the 8. 8 and 1. 8 and 1. 8 and 1. 8 1 5 and 3 is missing also. 3 3 3 3 3 3 8 1 5 3 8 1 5 3 8 1 1 1 1 hard one. Almost finished. Come on. 7 5 1. It's gonna be a 1. 5 5 5 5. Here need also the 5. 1 5 and 8. 1 5 could be everywhere here. 7 8 1. 7 8 1. Here can I mean 8. 8 8. Oh, 1. We have a 1 here. No 1 here. No 1. This is correct. This should be correct. Come on, 1. 7 and 8. 7 8 7 8 7 and a 9. Come on. 5 1 7 1 8. This should be a 5 1 5 1 5 5 5 goes together with the 8, so this should be a 1 7 7 and a 9. Here should be the 9. The 3 I have used. This should be the 3. 8 and 5. 8 and a 1. We have a 1 here. 8. This should be a 5. 5 5 5. Yes, 5 and 8. Finished in 40 minutes. Wow, 14 minutes. Lot of troubles. Need to think. Let me check if this is correct. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. Troubles here. Not sure if I made a mistake. It will take me more time to recover. But I'm pleased with the time, 14 minutes. Well, could be faster. Could be faster. Anyway, thank you again for watching, and we will meet again, yes, later on, maybe in the afternoon, with the other 4 puzzles in the additional. Yes, the additional. Let me show you the additional of today. We have here 7 puzzles. The letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4-star Sudoku. Tectonic with 4 stars, Tectonic with a 1 star, and 1 binary. Not all of those puzzles I will do, only 4 of them, half of them I will solve. The 3 stars, the 4 stars, Tectonic with 4 stars, and the binary. So, see you later in the afternoon. Have a great and fantastic Friday then. Until then, bye bye for now.